Hey you, what are you doing? What are you doing? My baby boy. My baby boy. Oh, you're such a beauty. My little boy. Here's Sophie. My little girls. Yeah. Yeah. Look at those puppies. Oh, you're such a good boy, Ripley. Look at that puppy nose. Ooh. I just want to bite it. Hi guys, I think my camera is crooked. I wanted to show you what I got from Lancome. It was sent to me to try out, and it's the $180 bottle of Genifique, the Advanced Youth Activating Concentrate. And it's a serum. And this is the neatest thing. Watch this. You turn this, and you see this little thing coming up, like that. That fills the dropper with just the amount that you need, and then you just push the pump. I'm not going to use the whole thing, but this is what the serum looks like, and it's kind of like a whitish color, but it goes on like so creamy. And I've been using this now for the last 2 days. I almost died when I got the full-size bottle. They sent that, and then I ordered the Lancome Monsieur BIG mascara. First of all, I want to tell you about this Genifique. I've used this before, and it is absolutely wonderful. I've used it for the last couple of days, and I have noticed my skin. I use it in the morning and at night, and it just makes my face feel radiant. I can't say enough good things about it. Within a week, you're supposed to notice visible difference in your crow's feet, fine lines, and after a month, you notice a dramatic difference. It's a self-loading dropper, and it gives you the perfect dose of serum for a smoother, more radiant skin you can see and feel. It helps reactivate youthful radiance and leaves skin incredibly soft to the touch day and night. It says, drop by drop, skin looks smoother, more subtle, and more luminous. In 7 days, skin's youthful radiance returns. After 8 weeks, 10 key signs of youthful-looking skin dramatically improved. It is clinically proven. Use twice daily, morning and evening, before your everyday skincare routine. This was based on a self-assessment of 34 women in 8 weeks in a study. I've been using it for a couple of days, and I'll tell you, it is wonderful. I really love the way it makes my skin feel. My skin hasn't glowed or looked this good since Wendell died. Stress takes a big toll on your skin, and you forget to drink water, and you get dehydrated, so you notice your skin starting to look crepey, and I feel like I finally have my glow back. Then they sent me some mascara, the Monsieur BIG, and they sent me this eyelash curler. It's this one. It says Lancome on it. And I used it on my eyelashes this morning, and they're still standing up, which is a good thing, because usually they kind of slouch back down. But I've been using, this morning I used this, and it's the Monsieur BIG by Lancome, and it's their mascara. And this is what the brush looks like. And I put it on, and my eyelashes have been so skimpy, and this is actually making them look, I mean, you can actually see them for the first time in a long time. Not only because of the eyelash curler, oops, but this mascara. And yeah, so I'm really loving this Monsieur BIG. It's kind of a wet formula, but they all are at first when you first open them. After a few days, pumping, getting air in there, it should dry it down a little bit. But I just wanted to show you that. And this, I love this. And thank you to Lancome for sending me both of these to try. I will come back in a week and show you the difference on my skin. But so far, love this. Like I say, I used it before, but I think I only had the smaller bottle then. But I couldn't believe, I looked it up online, $180. Yes, thank you, Lancome. Also, I want to show you this jojoba oil that I got. I just had to put my dirty glasses on. They need to be cleaned. It's the Blanc rose hip seed oil and the jojoba oil. And they're all organic. This is for healthier hair, softer skin, and stronger nails. And the rose hip seed oil is for your hair, face, and neck, and or body. You can mix these together. You can put 2 drops of rose hip seed, 4 drops of the jojoba oil, and 1 drop tea tree oil. This is Kate Blanc's favorite recipe. She mixes all 3 and uses them really good. I took my nail polish off last night. I put some rose hip seed oil on my cuticles. I'm going to do it again now. And you just put a drop on each, and then you just massage it in. It goes right into the cuticles. I'm just giving my nails a chance to breathe for a couple of days. I've had nail polish on like all winter, and my cuticles are dry. I trimmed them all back, and I trimmed my nails and buffed them and everything, but I just want to give them a rest for a couple of days and let them breathe. Alright, let me just tell you, we are going to get a storm. It's supposed to come in tonight and tomorrow. I'm supposed to get 12 inches of snow. Right now, well, I have my shade down because it screws with the light in here. The sun's out right now, but it was snowing this morning, and then I found out we were supposed to get a foot of snow. So, I guess I'm going to be stuck in the house. So I went out this morning, I got food, I dropped my taxes off to be done, and I think I'm going to really get socked this year because there was just so much paperwork and stuff that came in after Wendell died. It's tax, all the tax stuff is coming in, and with the sale of the house and a lot of other financial stuff, I'm going to get socked. I am dressed. I got this cute little top, and it's got little stars on it, and I got it at Old Navy. I got the cutest things at Old Navy. I'll show you in my next video. I got a pair of ankle pants, like pencil pants. I forget what they're called. I don't know. I'll show you. And I got this top, and I got a white top. It looks like a pajama top. It's white, like silky, and it's got black piping along the collar and the lapel and the sleeves. And it kind of reminds me of the one that HRH wears, Alexandra HRH. She wears one, and I've always liked hers on her, so I saw this at Old Navy, and it was on sale, so I bought it. And oh, I got the cutest shoes. Let me show you. I got these, and they were only $6.49. Aren't they cute? They look so cute on with those little pencil pants that I got. I've been doing okay. I've been having some down days lately, really down days, and I've let myself spiral down. I notice on the days that I don't go to yoga, I go Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and on the days that I don't go, I find myself like, it's not pretty. But I've been trying to keep my spirits up, but some days you tell yourself, I'm going to do good today, I'm going to put a smile on my face, I'm going to look at the positive, and I'll look at Wendell's picture and I'll say, oh my God, he's gone. I'm never going to have him back again. My life has changed forever. It's never going to be the same. I miss my old house. I miss my old routines. I miss my old life. And although I have my health, I have everything, thank God, it's so hard to focus on the positive when you're missing what was the most important thing in your life. You know, your love, your husband. And it's just hard to let go. And I just can hold on to the memories. That's all I have of him. I have my 2 dogs. Those were our kids because our kids had left the nest. I'll be okay. I'm going to be going to the Cape in a couple of weeks. I'm going to go visit my daughter Jen. She's my oldest daughter. We'll probably go out to lunch and do some shopping and just have some girl time, which I need. And so this will be nice. I need it. I just feel so refreshed when I go to the Cape too, because I lived there for all those years, and just being near the ocean and just something about being near the water and just so healing. Now that I don't have the lake behind my house, just having that there was just something so peaceful and soothing and healing about it. And so now I have to find other options to find my peace. So I plan on walking along the beach, or just parking down by the beach and just sit there and watch the waves roll in and just drink it up. And then we go to a place called the Matakees Wharf, and it's in Barnstable, and it's right on the water at the harbor, and you sit there and you can look out at the sunset over the ocean while you eat. And so I'll probably take pictures when I get there, you know, I'll share it with you guys. And any shopping trips that we go on. I wanted to thank this company, Katie Blanc, for sending me these. They're just lovely. Little Poet uses the rosehip seed oil, and if you don't watch her, turn on her videos and just watch her. It's like watching, remember Donna Shorts? She used to do videos, and then she stopped. Her husband passed away, and then she stopped. She kind of phased out of doing videos. She reminds you of her. And when you turn on her video, you feel like you're watching a movie. And she's just, her editing skills are wonderful. But she's also a lovely lady, and she got a new dog, Desi. She had to put her other dog down. So she's building herself back up again. That was a tremendous loss for her. That was like her life. So now she's got a new dog. Desi's just the cutest thing. He's got a little underbite. He was a rescue dog, and he was abused. Not physically, I don't think, but anyways, she's given him a lovely home, and he's come such a long way, and he's got his confidence now. He's starting to build up his confidence, and she's given him such a lovely life, and you can tell they're both thriving now. She needed him, he needed her. That's about it. I just wanted to come on and say hi, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, guys.